Everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your PS5 video clips to your phone, and this is easy to do. Let's go up to Settings, scroll all the way down to Captures and Broadcasts. Under Captures, go to the right and go to Auto Upload. Make sure this is turned on and enabled. Now, if you create a video clip that's 3 minutes long or shorter, it's going to automatically upload to the PlayStation app on your phone. And I'll show you how to get that in a second. Now, another way that we can go ahead and get this on our phone is if we go to our video clips under the capture gallery. So on the home screen here, we can just go over to the game library and then just find our media gallery under here and then open this up. Once this is opened up, go over your video clip. Let's go to this one right here, press options on it, and then we can go to upload to PlayStation app and we'll upload it to the PlayStation app. So this one is 9 minutes long, so we are going to have to crop it. So I'm going to just choose a different video that's a little bit shorter. I think I'm playing Grand Theft Auto here. So let's go to Upload to App. Now you can see it uploading in the top right corner. Otherwise, we can press the PlayStation button, go down to Download/Uploads, and then you can see it right here. It's uploading to the phone app, indicated by the little symbol right next to it. Now, if you have very, very poor internet, you might not want automatic upload on because it might lag you when you're playing video games. Now let's go on over to my phone and we want to go to the Google Play Store right here or the Apple Store and just go to it and type in PlayStation app on the top and it might auto populate and open this up and install it. So it looks like this. It's PlayStation app. Open this up. Now when this opens up, we want to go over to this symbol right here on the bottom, so it would be the fourth to right, game library. Then go to captures. And I don't think I'll have anything on here. Actually, the video clip I literally just uploaded is on here already, so it does not take long. So your captures only stick around for 14 days, and it looks like this video is not ready yet. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.